Do you struggle with control and fluidity in your Tarraxinha dance? Whether you're dancing solo or with a partner, these movements that I'm about to show you in this video will transform your Tarraxinha dance. I'm Mckiztosh, founder of Mckiztosh Dance, and I help dancers like you build confidence, control, and add sensuality to your dance. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the essential solo movements to help you dance Tarraxinha with control, grace, and confidence. So what is Tarraxinha and what makes it different to Kizomba? Kizomba is categorized as a walking dance. If you've heard the word passada mentioned with Kizomba, that means steps. We're walking with fluidity, with sensuality, with flow. The difference with Tarraxinha is that it's mostly danced on the spot. And although we still have fluidity, it's about having those isolations, being able to control your body and do isolated movements and contractions on the spot. It's typically a more sensual dance, helping you to feel more connected with yourself, with the ground, because it's very much a grounded dance, and with your partner. Tarraxinha, or sometimes called Tarraxa, is not to be confused with Tarraxo. We're dealing with movements from the waist down. So that's your waist, your hips pushing into the ground, down. Tarraxo is normally dealing mainly with the upper body movements and isolations that you do there. And that's what Tarraxo is categorized with. If you want to learn Tarraxo, I've got different videos on my channel to help you with Tarraxo. Click the link above or in the description box for that. With that being said, let's get in and let me show you how you can start dancing Tarraxinha with confidence, grace, and ease. First one I want to show you is something called Quadradinha. And with Quadradinha, it's 4 movements, 4 meaning quad, movements that we're going to do with our hips and waist, and you kind of draw a square. So we're here, we're going to slightly bend down a little bit, keeping our knees soft. We're going to contract the your lower back here, but keeping your core tight, because you don't want to contract your lower back, but you overarch. So you want to keep tension in your core here and then contract that lower back. So keeping tension in the core, knees bent a little bit, we contract upwards, bringing the hips up. We keep that tension and then we're taking it to the right side, right. So that makes me change my weight a little bit in order to do that. So I kind of go from neutral to a little bit more weight now in my left, the opposite leg here, the left leg, so that I can take my hips to the right side. Then I keep that tension, but you want to controlly shift it down and you tuck the hips a little bit under. So I've gone up to the side and down. My hips are kind of a little bit tucked under. Then I take this, the tension that I've got here, and now I move it to the left side. That means the weight kind of goes a bit more in my opposite right leg here. And that's our 4 movements. Bending down a little bit, we go up, to the right, down, and to the left. Up, right, down, left. Up, right, down, left. And when you feel comfortable, you can do that faster. And what happens is you're able to make like a continuous circle when you've done that. We're going to try on the other side now. So we bend down a little bit, lift the hips to the left side, tuck the hips to the right. Up, left, down, right. As we get more comfortable, we go faster. Here, da, 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 da. Showing you from the front, up, I go right, tuck, left, up again. Into my fluid movements, and onto the other side, da, 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 da. Yeah, so you really want to bend those hips, tilt up, right side, tuck. So you see that tuck there, here. So you need to keep your core engaged the whole time. and that's a Quadradinha movement. If you're liking this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already so that you don't miss out on any more videos and tips from me to help elevate your Kizomba. The second thing I want to show you is something when I learned, it was called quick, quick, slow. So what happens, we're doing movements. Although it's a quick, it's not a contra-tempo or shuffle step. It's on the beat, on the beat, on the beat. And then the third movement, you take 2 counts. That's your slow. So we're here. We're using our basic 1 to do this. We change our weight right, letting the hips go back, kind of like into a squat, but fluidly, continuously moving. And then to the left and to the right. So it's literally just your basic 1, but we're going to do it in the rhythm of quick, quick, slow. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, step, slow, step. Quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. So on this movement, it's 3 weight changes. The third weight change, you take longer to do it, so you move slower continuously through it. Here, I go quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. So that is our quick, quick, slow. We're going to use that rhythm and take that into something called Vendinha. So the names are not so much important. I'm not sure if that's even the proper correct word, but that's the name I heard when I was learning it. And what's important is the control, but yet the fluidity when you're doing the movement. So on the quick, quick, slow, we changed our weight 3 times. This time, I want us to change our weight, but we're only doing it on the one side. So here, my weight is on my left, and then it's like you want to change your weight, but you kind of don't fully change your weight. You kind of move over there, and then you turn it off. So you like step on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. But the weight mainly stays in the opposite leg. So we're going to go quick, quick, slow. Instead of just going here, to make the move more sensual, make it more dynamic, you're going to take those hips back and you're going to rotate them from in to out, in to out. That's why it's very important you know where your accent is in each move. I've done a hip tutorial talking about accents in another video. I'll leave the link up there and down below. So you're going to go, taking the hips back like into a squat from in, and then we're going out. So we're rotating outwards. We're going to go on, off, on, off, on, off. So 3 movements. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's a little bit like you're pushing the gas pedal with the right leg, but your weight mainly stays on the left. So we go 1, 2, 3. We're going to use the quick, quick, slow rhythm. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, step, slow step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try other side now, moving the weight to our right. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Still taking the hips from in to out. Step, step, slow step. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's what the hips, we're still doing Vendinha. This is like the first stage of Vendinha. That's the hips and the counts. So now what we want to do, if you think we want to step back, you want to step back but go down a little bit. So you're bending down. At the same time you're bending down, you're going to turn to like a 45-degree here, and I'm going towards my left shoulder. So I'm going down. If you know your Vigla step, it's a little bit like you're going to do a Vigla, but we're not going to go to a full Vigla step. We're going to go here. 1. So we're going to go 1 and back in. 1 and back into. 1, 2. 1, 2. We try on the other side. 1, 2. 1, 2. So our whole frame moves when we do this turn here. So my chest, my hips move, and that leg is moving here. I'm still doing an outwards movement with my hip here to take me. So I step here. This move, you can use it in you might see it in your basic 3-step. 1, 2, 3, step, step, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But we're going to use it in our Vendinha. So we're going to go 1, 2. So we're going to do 2 circles. 1, 2. We're still using the on-off method. 1, 2. So my weight stays on the left, but I'm pushing that gas pedal here, taking my hips outwards. So I've gone 1, 2. You need to go bend down, tilt, circle, circle. And here we're going to do our wave to neutral. So you want to practice also your wave. Your wave, you bend down, take the hips back, take them further back as you start to stand, and then you tuck your hips under to stand to neutral. So we'll go down, send the hips back, start to stand, and then hips tuck back to neutral. 1, 2, 3, tuck. 1, 2, 3, lift, tuck. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to use that wave to finish our Vendinha. We go 1, 2, I step, put my weight onto the ground, and I wave up to neutral. So my hips are already back, and then I tuck them to stand to neutral. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the last movement is the 2 counts, is the slow. Quick, quick, slow. And quick, quick, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, step, step. When you're coming up, you still use both your legs to do the wave. Step, step. So that's my right. My right, I use both legs, even though I'm stepping with my right to come to neutral, but I use both legs to do the wave. 1, 2, 3. Let's try the other side. 1, 2, 3. So you're using the left leg now. I step back and turn. Remember, I'll go down. I take the hips outwards, outwards, push to do the wave. Step, step, wave. I find it significantly harder on this side. So everyone normally has like a good and a bad side, but we need to try and practice both sides when we can. And that is our Vendinha. So a quick recap of the 3 moves in this video that you can use to elevate your Tarraxinha. We did the Quadradinha here and taking that into a circle, and we can do that on both sides. We did our quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, and we move that into Vendinha here, and also on both sides when we can. There's still loads more that we can do with Tarraxinha, but this was a quick insight. If you want to delve deeper, I have got my online private classes. You can reach out to me. I'll leave all the details in the description box below, and you can check out my other tutorials that I have on my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.